Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today we got this Jazz Crosstar in stock for you. It's the EX spec as well, two-tone body color. We sold it from brand new. It's one owner from new as well. So start off with, we got this automatic projector headlamp. It's LED as well, with front and rear parking sensors along with the LED fog light there. It's really nice. 1.5 petrol engine, which is hybrid as well, self-charging. On the right here, we got this diamond cut alloy wheels, which are 16-inch. Really nice. Been looked after by its first owner. So yeah, that two-tone body color looks really nice. It got privacy glass for the rear, second alloy there. In the rear we got your parking sensors along with the reverse camera just down there. I'll show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space. The seats do fold down. It's 60/40 split setting. They have magic seats as well. Got some storage space under here. As you can see, you got a parcel shelf there as well. That's a camera. Go around. Third alloy there. This car has been really looked after. It's got a really nice fabric interior there. It's the magic seats. Go all the way up and just have to lock it there. Gives you tons of room. For anyone out there who's got house plants, it will be a really ideal place. You have a couple of USBs down there as well, all for automatic windows as well. Got keyless entry, silver door mirrors as well, wing mirrors, and that's the fourth alloy. So yeah, I'll jump in and I'll show you the inside. What's the mileage as well. Down here, all four automatic windows. You do have wing mirrors which do fold in your locking system. Down here we got your parking sensors, Honda Sense, vehicle stability, and your headlight adjustability. Couple of cup holders there. Down here, lots of storage room. Said, let's just close the door. So yeah, sorry about the flickering of the LED. So the car's done 8,416 miles, which is nothing on the Jazz. So yeah, multifunction steering wheel. You do have automatic headlights, auto wipers, and you do have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this one. You do have navigation as standard if you don't use Apple. So you got climate control down here along with heated seats for driver and passenger, which is nice. Everything's as it should. The 12-volt socket there, couple of USBs, more storage space, and your automatic gearbox. Your reverse camera's got 3 modes. It's on ultra wide now, that's wide, and that's top bottom view, which is really nice. And also you got ECON Mode and your electric handbrake and brake hold. So yeah, so car's here with us. The last service was done just down there in 2022 at 5,524 miles. So the next service will be done by us just before it goes out. So yeah, feel free to come and get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.